Jimmy and Jeff were hiding online, different usernames, but the stories aligned. New profile picture, brand new name, but the same old tricks were part of the game. They thought they were clever, thought nobody knew, changing up the names like nobody could see through. But the clues kept stacking one by one, and the little disguise wasn't fooling anyone. 2 days, one shadow, hiding in the light. 2 days, one shadow, trying every night. Fake accounts flying, but the truth came through. The more they tried to hide, the more the clues grew. Jimmy and Jeff thought they had the perfect disguise, till somebody connected all the dots in disguise. New account today, another one tomorrow. Same old stories and the same old sorrow. Switching usernames, changing the game, but somehow the fingerprints always stayed the same. Then came the moment when the curtain fell. The online mystery had a story to tell. The usernames vanished, the act was through, and everybody laughed when the clues came into view. One shadow, hiding in the light. 2 names, one shadow, trying every night. Fake accounts flying, but the truth came through. The more they try to hide, the more the clues grew. You can change a username, you can change a screen name, but when the patterns match, it ain't quite the same game. Truth doesn't need a disguise, it doesn't need a fake face. Eventually the facts put everything in place. 2 names, one shadow, the curtain came down. 2 names, one shadow, across the town. No more hiding behind another screen, no more pretending to be somebody unseen. Jimmy and Jeff learned the lesson that day. Fake identities don't always stay hidden away. New name, new account, same old story, and the internet remembers.